Here's how turning off Speak Word while typing on iPhone reduces distractions. Phonetic like a for alpha, B for Bravo while using Messages app, Notes, Mail, and so on.
Hello.
I am Max. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to Accessibility. Now, tap on Spoken Content under the Vision section. Tap on the Typing Feedback option and turn off all the settings. To stop phonetics words while typing, turn off the Characters toggle. Also, turn off the Speak Words toggle and Speak Auto Text toggle. That's it. Now, your iPhone will not speak words as you type on iPhone Chat, Message, or Mail app. I hope you found this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.